Hello guys, and welcome to Cook with Kim. In today's tutorial we will be making the African donut called Mikate, also known as puff puff. I will be adding a bit of yeast in the mixture. So the first thing we will do is to get the yeast ready by mixing it with a bit of warm water. Using a large bowl for mixing, pour the flour into the bowl, add the yeast and mix with warm water. Okay, now we're adding the sugar, the salt and the vanilla extra, and we're gonna mix it very well together. At this point the mixture is still a bit hard and a bit lumpy, so grip the bowl well and use a bit of force to beat the mixture until it becomes soft and smooth. You will notice that the mixture starts to become sticky and air bubbles are starting to form. This is the yeast reacting with the ingredients, and this shows us that the mixture is in good progress. Cover the mixture and set aside. If you're going to use a deep fryer, make sure you remove the draining basket, otherwise the dough will stick to it. I'm using a medium pan, which is practical to avoid using a lot of oil. A few hours later, as you can see, there's air bubble everywhere. The dough is smooth and sticky. So now we're going to mix the dough one more time. We're going to beat the dough quite well. Using the tip of your finger, grab the dough in a small ball like this and release. You can practice this step a few times should you wish to, but don't worry too much about shaping at this stage, as this comes within practice. Once the oil is ready, using the same technique, carefully drop the dough into the oil and the dough should rise up shortly. If this doesn't happen, then the oil is probably not ready, or the pan you are using is not a non-stick pan, and you may need to use a fork to lift the dough back up. Repeat the process, leaving enough room for the puff puff to move around the pan. Cooking time for this is roughly between 5 to 10 minutes, and when cooked, remove, drain the oil and leave it aside to cool for a few minutes. Repeat the process until you finish all your content. With the measurement used, you will end up with a bowl of this size, which is great to enjoy with the family and friends. I like to enjoy my mikate with peanut butter, as this is how Congolese like to eat the puff puff. Feel free to serve yours with anything you wish to serve it with. Enjoy the puff puff, and please comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon on another edition of Cook with Kim.